YouTube channel, and today I want to talk about the ADIEU Cellulite body lotion. And like the name already says, it is an anti-cellulite body lotion. So many women have to deal with cellulite, unfortunately, and we discovered special ingredients that help to minimize cellulite. Cellulite is actually one of the most intolerable aesthetic imperfections. There are actually a lot of different reasons for cellulite. It's not necessarily about body fat. It's also, or it could also be because lack of physical activity, slow metabolism, poor diet. There are so many different reasons, like also thickness and color of your skin. A lot of times it's just a genetic reason, and we looked for ingredients that really help you with it. So there are different treatments for cellulite, and one of them is of course weight loss that helps, but there are other treatments that are more expensive or they're not really healthy, and we give you like a vegan option with natural ingredients, and I'm going to talk about the ingredients now. One of our ingredients is Garcinia, which is a fruit plant, and I'm going to show you a picture right here. Garcinia reduces the production of fatty acids, so there's less fat production. And then we have Guarana, which contains caffeine, and that actually helps with slimming. So it's actually destructing fat cells. And then we have Bladderwrack, which drains the fat cells. And Horsetail helps with toning. And then we have Ivy and Meadowsweet, which are restructuring the skin, so it's skin firming. So our ADIEU Cellulite body lotion has 3 different effects on our skin: drainage, then rebuilding, and also strengthening. So at night, before you go to sleep, it's the best time to apply the ADIEU Cellulite, and it smells really good. So thank you for tuning in, and I can't wait to tell you more about our products in the next episodes. Bye bye!